Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. I just wanted to do a quick shout out. I'm not sure who did it, but whoever's in charge of the Blink module for PixInsight, thank you, thank you, thank you. If I click open, we notice now we are getting a progress bar. Previous iterations, you just had to wait, and unless you knew how many files you had and the names, how they were sorted and imported, it could be a little, you just didn't know where you were when it was loading the data or saving it after you got done blinking. And now we have a progress bar. And sometimes it's just the little things like this that just kind of makes you smile. So I'm going to finish loading these up and finish blinking this data set, and we'll show what it looks like afterwards. Back in a few. Alright, I have completed blinking. So let's see what the output looks like. Let's move these over. And yep, we got our nice little progress bar there too. This was always, loading the files never really was a big thing for me. I'd start the loading, go grab my cup of coffee, because I usually blink them in the morning after the session is done, but before I go to work. And so I'd start loading the set of images and then go grab my cup of coffee, and by the time I got back, hey, they're loaded. I can blink them real quick. But it was the moving them into the files. That's where it always got a little worrisome, because I never knew how long it would take. Now I can see right where I'm at. So, because either if I'm waiting, the next thing to do would be the subframe selector script to evaluate my data, or I got to get to work. And if I don't know how long it's going to take, then, I don't know if I should just let it run and go to work and sit there and leave the PC on, or I don't know. But now we got a nice little progress bar, and like I said before, it's these little things that just make you smile a little bit. And I don't know, I just thought it was kind of curious. I was in here loading up my data this morning. I had just upgraded to the latest version of PixInsight, and it came out a few weeks ago, and I hadn't done the upgrade yet. And lo and behold, we got a progress bar in the blink process. I wonder if we'll have that in anything else. I'm not sure. But either way, like I said, whoever threw that in there, thank you. I like it. So with that, just a quick video today. Just thought I'd share that sometimes it's these little things that just keep us going. So with that, I'm going to say thanks for watching. I'm not going to ask if you enjoyed it, because in this particular case, it's me that enjoyed it. And, clear skies. Stick around for the outro. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching yet another episode from the Astromedia Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video that I have posted prior to this one. Down in the lower right, we have what YouTube thinks you will enjoy. Below is a subscription link. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose, ring that bell if you want to get notified of something new, and as always, thank you, clear skies. Remember to